Start by selecting Utilities or pressing F6. Then select Calibration. In order for a channel to show up in the Cal channel list to be calibrated, it must be set up to be user calibrated in the hardware configuration. This information can be found in the Hardware Setup Basics video. Select the desired channel to be calibrated and select Configure. From here, a current calibration procedure can be selected by clicking Browse and selecting the desired procedure. The selected procedure can be edited by selecting Edit, bringing up the Calibration Procedure Editor. To create a new procedure, select New. This will bring up the Calibration Procedure Editor again. Here a name can be given to the procedure by typing it into the Label field. This is the only necessary piece of information required to calibrate a channel, but more can be added for more detail. Calibration frequency, units, and fit order can also be added to the procedure. The accuracy of the percent error acceptable is defined in the accuracy field, where the number entered is the percentage. This number translates to being the percentage of the voltage range being tested. In this case, that number is 0.05 volts because the range is from 0 to 10 volts and the acceptable percent error is 0.5%. Data points are set by default, but they can be changed by changing the values and by creating more or less points. It is suggested to not have less than 3 data points. Select OK to save the calibration procedure. The newly created procedure will automatically populate the calibration procedure field. Select Return to return to the calibration main screen. The selected calibration procedure will be in the Calibration Procedure field under Calibration Info. Select Calibrate to calibrate the channel using the selected procedure. Enter the first point and select Enter First. If the value is within plus or minus 0.05 of the scaled value, then the percent error will be black and considered acceptable. If not, it will be red. The remaining points can be filled in the same way. They must be entered consecutively and one at a time. If all of the points are acceptable values, then Accept as Found can be used to keep the current AI calibration equation. If any of the points are out of the accepted percent error range, Calculate Fit must be used to create a new AI calibration equation. Once the new equation is calibrated, select Accept as Left to accept the new calibration. A new calibration due date must be set, and then the calibration can be saved by selecting Save. Former calibration results can be found by selecting Results Browse. Results of this calibration can be erased by selecting Clear Result. The results of this calibration can be viewed by selecting View Results.